picked up an example of what kind of people are the ones that are going to dominate the next 10, 15 years in terms of work. So data scientists are becoming very highly on demand. And what you have to, and this is not a joke, hacking skills, obviously that's something to do with where the data is coming from. So the data that we are using that is becoming really valuable. And we know how rich Facebook, how much profit Facebook made in the last 3 months, in the last quarter, billions of dollars in profit. That all is based on data, information that we freely supply to Facebook. That data of how we browse, what things we click on, what adverts we watch, what kind of feed, in terms of postings that friends make, what we look at, all that data. Facebook obviously mines that data and sells it, and obviously then they also sell the advertising space, which obviously they know really well who to target. And we've seen that in politics is kind of dangerous, but it's there, it's happening. And so you need kind of IT skills, hacking skills, you need math and statistics, you need machine learning, you need to become good at data science, traditional research. So research, we've seen researchers are people who spend years in academia are becoming quite on demand, high on demand. Danger zone, so understanding danger, risk, substantive expertise, so being a specialist in one area. And when you're looking at, majority, 37% of data scientists, they're actually university college graduates. So they're, 37% of them have done the hard work they've done after, university graduation. So that's one way of making sure that you're fully protected, that you know where you're going, that your hard work will pay off. Going to university will pay off.